What will mobility be like in the future? What boundaries stand in the way? Kia has a dream that no matter how old you are or what kind of hardships you face, you will be able to go anywhere you desire, no matter where you are, in a crowded city or out in the wild. You will always be connected. That no matter which side you are on, driving or walking, you will be safer than ever before. Kia has a dream that people without cars will never have to hesitate. Our families will never feel alone again. All your roads will always be open. And then our technology will lead to a better world for the next generation. Kia has a dream that all we dream of today will one day become the everyday norm. Boundless for all. Kia.